Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this base card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select adjust from here, then click on this box, then type at 3.5. Then click on this box, then type at 2. Then click on this box, then type at 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the base, you have to select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the round rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then you have to increase the pixels from here. Then select this, then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then press and Ctrl Shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to rotate this. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to go to the layer panel. Then press and hold Alt key, then take it out from this. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. And drag this in here. After that, you have to select these layers. Then you have to rotate these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, here, and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this under these layers. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here and here. Then select this. Then drag this under these layers. Then select the move. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the angle point. Then click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool again. Then drag this under these layers. Then select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it up here again. Then select the move tool. Then increase the size of this again. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer again, then take it up here again. Then increase the size of this. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then you have to select these layers. Then lock this layer. Then select these layers. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then you have to rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. And drag this under these layers. Then select these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then select these layers. Then you have to rotate these layers. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to unlock this layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color again. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then click on the plus. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the base layer style. Then right click on this layer again, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the base layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the base layer style again. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color from here. Then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the reverse. Then click on the OK. Then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. After that, you have to include the icons and add some text in here. I am already added text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then press Ctrl+A button from keyboard, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then press Ctrl+A button from keyboard, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then change the color of this shape. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. And back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set the business card in here. After setting the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.